the tulip farm. Benno. Here he is, Benno, the owner. So Benno, how many years have you been planting tulips in these fields?
42 years in this field.
42 years.
Every year I drove the tractor. For many years to driving by myself straight.
Right.
And I was able to do it.
Yeah.
So that I could do it by myself for all those years. You can see it on the pictures that we took for all those years.
Yeah.
So I was proud of it that I made straight lines.
Something about planting tulips every year that's just makes you feel at home here at Holland America, Dobbe Farms. This is your show field for next year. We are planting it right now in the fall, October. And then in the spring, mid-April, you will see these beautiful blooms that visitors come every year to see. Benno, how many varieties are we planting in the show field? 70. 70 varieties? Excellent. How many bulbs is that, Benno? 35,000 bulbs in the show field for next year. So the show field is actually lined out in like two different sections. So they have like these lines that kind of, when they're planting, they've got this whole section right here. That's one section. And then they have another line right there that separates it out, because that's going to be a walkway. Are planting another section. So this here, right, is another section that will be planted many different colors, and this will be another walkway again in the springtime for all the viewers to come enjoy during the spring. These are already planted. So they already have it pre-organized as to what's gonna be planted where. So now they have to place those trays on there exactly how they want them planted. So there is a method to the madness. So this is where they feed the ball onto these two mounts. And once that variety is done, then they will add another variety. Once that other variety is completely done, then they will start feeding these balls. Dobbe Farms, Holland America Flowers. There's 130,000 tulips planted here. Look at all those beds of flowers you'll be seeing next spring. And the great thing about these is they're mixed. So when you come out,